Why eyebrow grooming matters. It frames your face. Well-shaped brows enhance facial symmetry. Clean brows make eyes look more awake. It can change your entire expression. You don't need to overpluck to make a difference too. Tools you'll need: keep it simple and safe. Spoolie brush for brushing brow hairs. Tweezers with a slanted tip for precision. Small scissors for trimming long hairs. Optional: eyebrow razor or stencil kit. 3. Know your natural brow shape. Don't fight it. Brow shaping should enhance, not change. Identify your starting point, arch, and tail. Follow your natural hair growth. Avoid trends, they come and go. 4. Mapping your brows. The golden ratio trick. Start line from side of nose to inner eye. Arch, angle from nose through the pupil. Tail, diagonal from nose to outer eye corner. Mark lightly with a brow pencil for guidance. 5. Brush first. The underrated step. Use a spoolie to brush hairs upward. Reveals long, uneven hairs. Helps you visualize natural shape. Makes trimming easier and more precise. 6. Trim carefully. Less is more. Only trim hairs that stick above natural line. Use brow scissors, not regular ones. Work in small sections. Brush again to check symmetry. 7. Tweeze the right way. Painless and precise. Always tweeze in the direction of hair growth. Stretch skin slightly for better control. Remove stray hairs, not too many. Take breaks and check progress often. 8. Avoid overplucking. It's hard to regrow. Stick to natural shape and only clean up edges. Leave the top line alone for fuller look. If unsure, stop and reassess. Use a white eyeliner to mark areas to avoid nine. Soothing aftercare. Your skin needs it. Apply cold aloe vera or witch hazel. Avoid makeup for at least 12 hours. Clean tools to prevent infection. Don't touch the area frequently. 10. Filling in brows optional. Soft and natural. Use pencil or powder close to your brow color. Light strokes, not harsh lines. Focus on sparse areas. Blend with the spoolie for natural finish. 11. How often should you groom? Less than you think. Trim every 2-3 weeks as needed. Tweeze strays weekly or bi-weekly. Let brows grow out fully every few months. Monitor changes due to hormones or age. 12. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't learn the hard way. Plucking in poor lighting. Using a magnifying mirror causes over-tweezing. Following trends over natural shape. Grooming before an event. Skin might react. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.